Okay, so problem should to be down there, the dry. It's completely black. So the things the problem is with this motherboard, man. Fuck's sake. Alright guys, I'm trying to take all these wires out of the connector. This job is a little bit hard, but I'm trying to do it one by one. Let's see, I've got this one all off, and that's one gone as well. Right, so there's two left. This problem down there. Let's try with this one then. Right. This one should come off, yeah. That was easy. Alright, so almost all of the wires are off now. So now, those two, and there's two screw over there. Right, one there. I'll try to pull this board. Does it come from this side or the other side, I guess? Alright guys, I managed to take that connector off. It seems like a problem over here is these diodes. They're completely burned out. I'm not sure if we can replace it or not, but I'll give it a try. It seems like it's not only the diode, man. There's a lot of things that burn out. Let's see, I have to see the parts now. Alright, so I have got my new PCB. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is like slowly assemble this PC in this harness, right? And plug all those connector in those pins and put it back, and let's see. Then after that, let's see if the machine will work or not. Alright, so the next step what we do is like I put this back, the top cover back, right? And there's one screw, there's another one there, another on the left, and one at the bottom, right? So basically what we need to do now is to pull all those connectors back to the PCB, and let's see what happens. Alright, so everything is connected down there. Now this is the moment. Let's plug it down over there. Okay. Hey. Did you hear the noise or no? Yeah. Did you hear the noise? Yeah. So if I click that thing down, you see that or no? Do you see that or no?
Thank you, my love. You are
you see that or no? You see that or no?
You are the best.
Does that work? Does that work?
Yes.
So basically, this is how you short the machines. Whenever you have problem with PCB and those kind of stuff, you just need to go thoroughly, right? And check out what is the problem and then diagnose it. Basically, that is the process, guys. Alright?